channel. In recent weeks, the conflict between Iran and Israel has intensified dramatically. Iran launched a major missile attack on the Israel, leading to a series of retaliatory strikes. These events have resulted in significant casualties and have drawn international attention.
On October 1st, 2024, Iran executed a significant and unprecedented missile attack on Israel, dubbed Operation True Promise 2. This operation marks a critical escalation in the ongoing tensions between the two nations, reflecting deep-seated hostilities in the region. The Iranian Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or IRGC, reported the launch of approximately 180 ballistic missiles aimed directly at key targets in Israel. This operation comes as a direct retaliation for the recent killings of Iranian-aligned military leaders, including Hassan Nasrallah of Hezbollah.
The animosity between Iran and Israel dates back to the 1979 Iranian Revolution, which saw the establishment of an Islamic Republic in Iran. Since then, both nations have engaged in various proxy conflicts, particularly in Lebanon and the Gaza.
Medical teams and emergency responders are on the ground, tending to those affected. Hospitals have been placed on high alert, and residents are being advised to seek shelter. The Israeli government, in a swift response, has vowed retaliation. Prime Minister Naim declared in a public address, "This is an act of war, and Israel will defend itself with full force." The Israeli Defense Forces are reportedly mobilizing, with fighter jets seen taking off from military bases.
The international community has been closely monitoring the situation. The United Nations have also been involved in here, urging both sides to de-escalate and seek peaceful solutions. The conflict has had a devastating impact on civilians. Many have been killed and injured, and thousands have been displaced from their homes. Humanitarian organizations are working tirelessly to provide aid, but the situation remains dire. The future of this conflict is uncertain. Continued escalation could lead to a border regional war. While diplomatic efforts might offer a path to peace, it's crucial for the international community to remain engaged and support efforts to resolve the conflict. In conclusion, the conflict between Iran and Israel is complex and deeply rooted issue with significant implications for the region and the world. We must continue to monitor the situation and support efforts to achieve a peaceful resolution. So thank you for joining us today. We will keep you updated with latest developments as they unfold. Thank you for joining us on Eagle Media Network. I'm Priyanka Neha.